crunchy rice, little but you don't know how to cold noodles. But you don't stop with you stop at the started holding the you stop at red and hill. You get that sort of inhale of don't promises because no one else will not have and you know that we're not enough. They needed some real meat. Really short for $70. So we had to share $70. So we had to share everyone with the rib bucket. Look at the rib bucket. Everyone got it because they real shelled. Something on zero, no something not fire, not fire. Oh my God, this already got me here. I got fire over the last after fighting over the last of short ribs. We were now losing after eating chicken. When Mr. started with 20